Hey everyone, this is Chris. I wanted to show you something I've been doing for a while now, and basically what you're seeing here is my warm-up. This is a warm-up that I do every single day. It's a series of circles, ovals, lines, a warm-up that's all about improving my dexterity. A lot of what I got here, this may look familiar if anybody that is practicing drawabox.com. I would highly recommend those exercises to go to drawabox.com. Really get your dexterity going with pen and ink or in anything. But there's a way to do this every single day and not only practice your drawing skills and your drawing dexterity, but to also practice your painting skills at the same time. Now, how do we do that? Well, basically, when I go through these exercises, like for right here, I'm going to draw a circle, so I'm going to try and do this while watching the video at the same time. And the idea is I'm trying to get a perfect circle. And I go over it twice. Let's do another one. And so basically everything you see on this side, we got circles, ovals, they all look the same size, or at least try to, and then different angles. But one thing you should notice is while I'm doing this, I'm holding the pencil in kind of a different way. You would see a lot of artists, they'll hold the pencil this way, they'll drag their finger actually on the paper, and that's all about drawing. But with painting, you can't do that. So because you have a brush, and brushes have bristles on top. And trying to do this kind of hold with a brush, what it will do is push the bristles up against the canvas and splay them out. Usually with brushing, you do kind of a dragging motion, or you're in this way where you can do lines, this kind of thing. And I found that this is how I hold my brush. So the first step is, how do you hold your brush? How do you hold your pencil? And how can you combine those two so that they're exactly the same? And this is what I'm doing with my warm-up exercises. I'm holding my pencil as if I'm holding my brush. I'm also standing. Here I am at my easel, and I'm standing because when I paint, I stand. I could easily do this drawing sitting, but I want to +1 this, and I want to be able to practice my drawing while I practice my painting. Let's see if I can get some ovals while I'm holding the camera. Ooh, not so great. Yeah, trying to keep them all uniform. Again, these exercises are from drawabox.com. Check it out if you want to try some of those exercises. I would suggest that you definitely try this warm-up every single day. Get your arm warmed up before you start doing any other drawing exercises or painting exercises, but stack your abilities by combining them. I mean, I love drawing, but painting is really what I want to excel in. So whenever I draw, I paint. Thanks for listening, watching. See you next video.